Guys, happy Friday to everyone, and it's weekend in Dubai, and today we have received a package from India and we have to do the unboxing. Actually, this is for Isabella, so we'll show you what's inside because actually I don't know what's inside in here. So let's see. We have received this today.
Yep.
From where? From India.
Yeah. I'm actually hugging it right now.
Open the box.
Can I not? Because I'm very careful.
No, Mama has to do it first.
Okay.
I don't want you to touch. So let's see what's inside.
As you know, guys, I'm very careful with scissors. And last time I broke, I cut my finger when I was a baby. But because I'm bigger. Sorry about the noise. Guys, sorry about the noise.
This thing, so now, first,
Now I have to cut the box.
Yep.
Boxy. Oh my god. Wait, let me put you down, guys.
see, this is what's inside the box.
This is, huh?
Okay. Bella, can you pull it up? Okay, so
I love it. I love it so much right now.
this is for who's this, Isabella?
For me.
No, this is for your dada.
Yeah. Like, what's this one?
Egg.
Egg.
So I have here, this is inner actually, I have some of this. I have this again.
So this is for
Inner.
that also.
Oh, you got this. And-
See, I have a bunch of
And we
ponytails.
got this.
I have a bunch of ponytails.
This is the namkin. Actually, I like this one. This is with some nuts, rice,
And guys, look at my new ponytail.
and rice flakes. It's very nice, this one. And then Isabella will show you her
Tuna special.
colorful pony for the hair. And then what is more, Isabella? And another one again.
What's this?
Basically, this is only for my husband and for Isabella. Not for
Yeah,
me.
right. You like it.
I have nothing here.
Look at this dress.
I
It's actually.
want
it
dried
fits
fish,
me.
but I don't have dried fish.
Guys, it actually fits me. That means.
This
This
is
is for me.
Isabella's pajamas.
Yeah, my pajama.
And my mother-in-law stitched this one. Her grandmother stitched this one. See how beautiful it is.
What is this?
She stitched this.
What's this? Guys, what is this? I'm very confused.
This is for our pressure cooker because our handle was broken. My husband broke it.
Yes.
So we got this from India as well.
Oh, give me.
We have this again from my husband.
I have a lot more clothes, guys.
And then another one more. He got. What?
Yeah.
You cannot find it here?
Look, I got
You say it
pants.
is for me on
My-
camera and I won't get to even look at
See,
it.
I got my pants.
And then
I got my pants. I got my pants.
What is that you asked for?
I don't know this is for what. Bella, did you ask for this?
No.
What is this one for?
Bella had that small baby na she
Ah,
had a
this-
blanket.
This is for the Isabella's baby. So she
Yeah.
wants to ask for a blanket.
So
Yeah.
Mom stitched that
And
for
then-
her.
And this one also for the baby.
Yeah. That. Look, guys. This is the blankie,
Yes. For the baby, for her small baby. So
Yeah,
her
her
and
Lola
this
to
was the
stitch.
towel.
so her Lola or grandmother stitched this for her.
Look what else I got. I got some
And then
pants. I
another
got some
pajama this is the one with their pair
Thanks.
pajamas.
Mama, can I wear this today?
We have to wash it.
Yeah.
And of course, my aunties from my husband. I don't know why she get it from India. He doesn't want to buy from Dubai.
Wait.
He is
Is
patronizing
this
India brand.
Is this mine? Is
And-
this mine?
What is this?
This that you bought for Sony actually, no?
Ah, this is for Sony. This is the one we bought, no?
Yeah.
Mama, is this mine? Is this mine, Mama?
You will use it.
Yes.
She sent it back.
Guys, I got this also.
Actually, we have gifted this to my sister-in-law, but it doesn't fit her. Now she sent it back and I'll use it. It's just like a skirt actually.
Oh, that thing now you can wear it in different styles.
Yes. So I have this one where you could wear in different styles, yeah?
Guys, you might want to check this out.
So this one again. And again I have this.
Guys,
One
you-
more again for this.
Guys, you might want to check this out.
And again, pajamas.
But from Hello Kitty.
Oh, how many pajamas you've got?
I have no idea.
One.
And another one for me.
That's a dress.
Three pajamas you've got.
And a dress.
And a dress.
How does this look on me, guys?
So, her grandmother stitched this dress.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Does it look good on me, guys?
See?
Does it look good on me?
Yes.
I'm not right now. Oh my god, I'm gonna.
And then another wow skirt.
That's for you.
Wow.
There's that one is too small. And another skirt. Again, it's my grandmother's stitch. All Isabella's clothes is my
This
grandmother's
is
stitch.
mine.
My Isabella's grandmother's stitch.
This
that
is
one.
mine. This is mine, guys.
Yes, all are stitched by her grandmother. And another one. Oh, nice it is, Isabella. See?
Wow.
It's like a jumper,
It's
actually.
mine.
It's like a jumper. Check
Mama?
it, see? It's like a jumper. And we've got another pony. Why Mama didn't give black? Ah, okay. This one and this one. What's the other one then?
Wait, guys, I'm trying to set. Trying to set.
Where is it?
Yeah,
It's here. So this one we've got pony.
I will really
And
want
then
to.
this is black. And actually, this black is
I don't want to take care.
for the.
This
This is for the
my
school
God.
because in school it's not allowed to use color ones. So it's black is only allowed.
And this for my. These two are for my home one. I'm gonna wear pink after this.
And then this one for Isabella. Oh, nice it is. Oh, so many. I think this is from Mama's old shops, no? It's
Is it
so
like
nice,
this?
nice, Mama.
Is it like this?
No, it's for the hair. Oh, so nice, nice stuff, Tiffin. See, Bella, see. Oh.
I love this.
See,
stuff.
there are two of this. Clip.
That's all.
So you put this in the thing only. Don't twist it. So I have
Look.
this.
See. Ding
Oh.
ding 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 ding.
What is this for Bella's? Come, Bella.
It's like this.
This is a hat.
Oh. Wait, let me put it up. Oh my god. There's also hairs on it.
Come now.
Yeah, I want to wear this for my winter ones because look, it's like you make a brand. This looks like a haircut.
Oh! I have mine also.
Can
Kaju.
I wear this to
Kaju
school?
cutlets. What's it? Kaju cutlets.
Mama, Can I
Indian
wear this at
dessert,
school?
which is I
Can I
really
wear
love
this at
this
school?
one. I love this,
That's good.
and I've got two of this. Let's see, maybe inside is different. Let's check.
Mama, can I wear this to school?
Yes.
Because it's like you already got it.
You're different. It is. It's not that
It's-
Kaju cutlet.
I learned to learn, but it's getting tight.
I love this where I could able to finish one box in one day. Oh, something different. Oh.
Can I eat this?
But that's mine, okay?
No, mine. That's mine. That is a...
It's nice. I'll show you. So this is the design.
And this was I eat.
Yeah, shaped like a strawberry. But it's sweet and
I
very
eat like
nice.
This is mine.
There are two.
Also, how about that will be yours? Yeah, look, Mama, look.
Yes.
This will be yours and this will be mine.
No, it's all mine.
No, mine also. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
What was it to Lola? Oh, just move from there. Move where you go in the box. I'll throw you now. I'll put you in the box, okay? Send you back to India. So now let's see. Another sweets and it's just like an apple design.
Mama.
See, like an apple design.
And this is a strawberry design which I already.
This is how it looks like in the box. And the other one also, this is how it looks like. And it's very, very nice. And let's just have a bite.
Mama, look. How about this is yours, okay?
Oh yeah?
This is yours and that apple one is mine.
Okay. So that's all guys that we got. We have only two of this, right? There are three. Messy pala. The other one.
Yeah, and we have three.
So we have three of this because we have two pressure cooker. One is broken and the other two is three handle were broken. So that's why we bought three of this. So that's all guys. That's all what we've got from India. And it is only for my husband, Isabella, and mine of course. This sweets is mine.
No,
This is mine.
this is mine.
Okay.
Yeah, I just.
Smells strawberry.
And of course, this is mine.
And also we have this. I have 4 of this. This is for my husband. This is for the face. So my husband will put this on his face. It's like, like I think it's for whitening or something. So my husband got this. And Isabella got also 2 rings. As you can see, he got 2 rings. Beautiful ring. Who give this, Isabella? Lola? Lola or Sonny Auntie?
Lula. I mean, Sonia Auntie.
Yes, my sister-in-law gave this for Isabella.
Sonia Auntie.
It's beautiful. And I've got this as well. This one is for my, I have skin allergy. I am dealing with skin allergy at the moment. Actually, I have this skin allergy when I was like, as much as I remember, when I was 5 or 6 years old, I always have skin allergy, but it was on and off, on and off. So meaning I have an autoimmune deficiency on me. So right now, there's no medication for my skin allergy because this is like an eczema skin disease, like similar to that. Not psoriasis, but similar to that. So I always have it on my hand. As you can see, I have it on my hand. Okay, this is on my allergy. Okay, and I have this and I have more on my, so that's, I have some on my feet, so that's I cannot show you guys. Only in my hand, this much I have in my hand. So right now I don't have, there's no medication for this, so I just have to keep moisturize my skin so it doesn't dry up, because when it gets dried up it will flare and it will crack and itchiness will be there. So I just have to keep on moisturizing. So at the moment I'm using the coconut oil with candle wax. I just have to melt them. So in the evening I will, apply that. So right now I received this from India, so I'm also try this one. Okay, so that's all guys. I hope you like our unboxing and we'll see you to our next one. Bye!
Bye.